Most of us are terrified of drawing anything on the spot. Every time I ask someone to explain something to me and sketch it out, they would be apologizing every few seconds, even though they're making it much easier for me to understand the direction to a place or the layout of a house interior. Now, if you're anything like this, we're going to change that through this class. Hey, I'm Winta. I'm an architect, writer, and visual artist residing in Addis, Ethiopia right now. I had gone to architecture school where we were trained to flesh out and communicate our ideas for designing buildings and urban plans. So after graduation, it felt natural for me to apply these same communication principles to illustrating writing, making explainer videos for causes I believe in, and teaching others how to do the same. I've worked with NGOs, companies, and associations to create animations explaining their visions and project progress. And some of these videos were made with sand, while others were made in a simpler style that I'm about to show you right here. But no matter what project I worked on, and whether I worked on it alone or in a team, it always started with a single drawing. My work requires me to communicate my ideas and others' ideas as clearly and simply as possible. I believe that anybody can communicate an idea with a piece of paper and a pen. A drawing is not something that only those that we deem to be gifted artists or those in the design field can make. Nobody has a monopoly on drawing. And whether you're a restaurant owner who has a perfect menu list in mind, an entrepreneur with a new business plan that you want to share with clients or members of your team, someone who wants to design a house, or a student working on a presentation, this class is perfect for you. In this class, we'll go through some of the basics to help you draw to communicate. After talking about visual communication, we'll work on our first exercise, drawing basic shapes that you could frequently use in your concept drawings. Here, I'll share a few examples of when shapes are used to depict abstract ideas effectively. In our second exercise, we'll make a few quick sketches of some animate and inanimate objects. And these exercises will set us up for the final class project, where we'll make a drawing following the routine we expect to lead tomorrow. Finally, I'll show you a few more examples of drawings I made for other purposes, and you can use these to expand on the skills you pick up in this class and to use for inspiration, making your own drawings. The goal here is to think of drawing as an extension of your vocabulary and to use that to capture and communicate your ideas. So let's get to it, shall we?